Hi, I'm Bill Goodrich. I'm an IT manager here at Eppley Cancer Research in Omaha, Nebraska. We do use Drobos here at Eppley Cancer Center. We have an 800i that's in production with 16 terabytes in it. Right now, the 800i, and we actually slid 2 servers in at the same time and virtualized at the same time. And so we have 2 physical, 7 virtual servers, and 16 terabytes of drive in the space that just the server was sitting before that. I would say about a third of what's on there is documents, spreadsheet type stuff, a lot of administrative things, and then probably 2/3 of it is research. Lots of images off of microscopes and things like that that are taken. One example, our robotic array, for instance, will take pictures through a microscope of a 96-well plate so many times every 15 minutes over 24 hours or whatever, and so it really generates hundreds of high-res TIFF files, and so that adds up quickly. Some of what we would lose if something happened during one of those runs would be time lost, but a lot of times the situation is lost. Sometimes weeks or months has been put in play making this sample come out this way so we can do this experiment, all the way back to we started with this cell, or we started with a particular mouse or a gene or a peptide sequence. It took us a long time to get it to here. This decays at a rate of so much per hour. We get one shot. Here it is. And replacing that could take not only time but money. Some of these runs cost $5,000, $10,000 a run. So a lot would be lost if we lost the data during the run. When we went to virtualization at the same time, we were a little green to virtualization in the terms of I have never done this before kind of green, and it just went beautifully. And we had some questions about configuration right up, and they helped out a ton with that too. Having the Drobo does make it a lot easier, especially with virtualization, because I can set a new drive up, have it up and running in a matter of minutes, and then on the server side, okay, virtualize a new server, point it to this space, I'm done. It's very simple. All I got to do is load the software now, or in a lot of cases I just clone an existing server right onto it, and it takes less than a half an hour to bring a server online. I think my favorite thing about Drobo is kind of a combination. It's a combination of can do and can afford. I mean, it was an affordable solution. Did what we needed to do. Otherwise, we would probably still be trying to find a way to squeak a couple more files onto our old equipment.